Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Purple color, violet color, dark blue color, yellow color, orange color, sky blue color, black color, brown color, pink color, light green color, red color, dark green color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for arrow. B for bus. C for chocolate. D for door. E for ear. F for fox. G for glass. H for hand. I for infant. J for jeep. K for kiwi. L for lotus. M for moon. N for nest. O for olive. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for ring. S for school. T for tiger. U for universe. V for violin. W for watch. X for Xerox. Y for yogurt. Z for zoo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.